how to set a driving brake time alert on Mitsubishi Outlander. So, the first things first, if you would like to set this alarm, you need to know that those alarm settings are in your instrument cluster, so you need to know how to navigate here. Basically, if you would like to navigate in instrument cluster, you need to use this part of the steering wheel, the left and right arrows. You need to confirm options by pressing OK button, and you can scroll up and down also by using this OK button. So now, if you know the basics, you can go to your instrument cluster. So let me make it bigger for you. Now let me use those arrows to choose here the settings, so the last option, and confirm this option by pressing the OK button. Then let's scroll down to the second option, which is the driver assistance. Press OK again, and here, as you can see, you can scroll down almost to the bottom of the list to see here the time alert, as you can see right here. So this setting acts as a manual rest reminder for long road trips. You can program a custom driving duration timeline, for example 120 minutes. Once you have been continuously driving for that specific frame rate, the dashboard flashes a notification to remind you it is time to stretch your legs and take a break. So as you can see, if you press the OK button, you can check here that you can choose the reminder, for example, for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and the longest is, I think, 360 minutes. So you can set this reminder here. And as you can see here, we've got minutes left and minutes in total. You can also reset this by pressing the reset button, tap yes to confirm it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.